We'll guide you through how to download and install OBS Studio on Windows 11 and older version of Windows as well. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So OBS Studio is a free open source program that allows you to go and record and live stream as well. So it's really useful to go and have whether you're trying to go and record a video for YouTube, stream to Twitch, Kick or another program or website I should say, but you may just want to go and capture it for another reason as well. It doesn't matter, we're going to guide you through this. We'll also give you a quick setup as well so you can go and get started with using OBS. So let's go and get started. What you need to do is go and open up a web browser you like to use. You may like to use Chrome, Edge, it doesn't matter. I like to use Chrome. Now you want to go and type in OBS like so, and you can go and find Open Broadcaster Software. The website is obsproject.com. Here we are. Now what you need to do is you want to go and find the option for Windows and you can go and click there and it's now been downloaded. It's been blocked, so I'll just click on it and then press download a verified file. It's safe. I downloaded this many times before and used it for years. Go and wait for it to go and complete, which it now has. Now what we can do is we can come out of here and you want to come and open up your file explorer. What we need to do is go and find the installer. So this is going to be in your downloads. So press downloads to the left and you can go and find it and you want to go and double click on the installer. Shortly it's going to go and open up. You may go and get a Windows Security pop-up. I did. It's now opened up. Now what we're going to need to do is we're going to go and press next. I can't actually go and record this, but then what you need to do is there's going to be the license you need to read and agree and press next. You can choose a destination folder, change if you want to. I don't change it personally. And then what you can do is go and press install. Now I've had a pop-up about it being used or OBS files being used by other applications. So I'll need to go and close them and that is Chrome. So I'll close that now and also one called Asus Node. I've closed Chrome, but this Asus Node is still appearing. So you can press search at the bottom and type in Task Manager and open up Task Manager. And then at the top of Task Manager, you can go and type in Asus Node and you can go and find the program or background process, select it and press End Task. So you can select them and press End Task like so, and just make sure they've all been ended, go through each one and press End Task. What you can then do is go and press retry and hopefully now it will go and install. You can go and have Launch OBS Studio selected and go and press Finish. And now it's going to go and open up. Now, the great thing about this when you first open it up is it's going to go and give us a auto configuration wizard. So you can go and choose what you're mainly going to be using it for. In this case, for me, it's going to be recording. So I'll select that there and press next. Now you can go and use the base canvas resolution. Click there. You want to go and use the size of your display. And for FPS, I recommend using 60 to make it nice and smooth and press next. Then it's going to go and do a test and give us the best settings here. And you want to press apply. Now you can go and see how it goes and looks here. You can go and resize it if you want to. And you can go and change the size of this as well. And yeah, you can click, hold and move these around to your liking. What we're going to do is I'll quickly show you setting up as well. You can come to settings in the bottom right first of all, go to the left and find audio and come to mic. And you want to go and select the mic you like to go and use. And then you can go and choose desktop audio, go and choose the output. So I use my speakers and press apply. You can come to video and that should go and be set already because we did that. And if you want to go and start doing streaming, you can select stream and choose a service. You can come to output as well and just set it to simple. So for recording, you can go and choose the path and adjust these other settings. I leave them as it's been calculated. It does a good job. Then you can press OK. So now what we can do here is we're going to have a scene by default. You can create more by pressing the plus, but the source is what we're actually going to capture. So press add source, the plus in the bottom left. Display capture, so we can capture everything. You could use game capture or window capture as well, but I like to use display. Press OK, and you can then go and press display and choose the one. I choose my primary one, press OK, and there we have it. That's it, we've now installed it, and we're able to go and use OBS. Just before you go and do a test recording, you can come into your audio mixer and I like to go and decrease desktop audio, otherwise that can go and drown out your mic. Of course, you can always go a test recording and see the balances, play some audio and speak, just to go and make sure you can balance it correctly. That's it, and of course you can use the controls over to the right. If you found this useful, then leave a like.